Okay, Gus, what are we doing here?
We're doing a experiment.
Yeah,
and we're looking for this. This is vinegar.
Yeah, that's that's baking soda.
Baking soda.
This is vinegar with food coloring.
And we're gonna dump this into here.
Okay, let's see.
Oh gosh!
Okay. Oh my word.
Oh my word.
Okay, do the other ones.
Oh my word.
Okay, do the other ones. Pour the ones in the green.
This?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, do that in the other color. The blue. Okay, let's do the last one.
This?
Yes, that one over there. Is that the purple one?
And that's the purple one.
So
let's do it again.
What do you think of your experiment?